Hey YouTube. So I've done a little bit of work on this panel here, as you can see. Now on the bottom half of this panel, or the bottom section of this panel, this is the shape of the rocker. Okay, so I'm just leaving that hang on there because I know I'm going to need part of that. I'm not sure how much of it. Maybe I can use all of it, maybe I can't. But you can see I've bent to go around the fender, the inner fender there. And now I'm bending to go around the door. And what I did first I gave this a curvature. Okay, I gave this a curvature by running it through the English wheel back and forth this direction. That gave me the curve I was looking for. After I got that curve, I put a snip in here to end the two panels so that I wouldn't affect this panel, the lower panel. And I put a snip in there, and then I started running this edge. I had a line in there, and I ran that line along the edge of the English wheel this direction. And in other words, the wheel was like rotating this way. So as I rolled that in there, I was bending down this. In other words, this was flat, so I brought it down. Now once you start bringing it down, you get what's known as a fish mouth in the metal, because there's too much metal. The curvature is shorter than what the back is here. So that tends to push the panel straight again. In order to stop the panel from going straight, you take and you put this in the shrinker and you keep shrinking this as you're going. It stops the fish mouth, gives you a nice straight flat edge, and also this curve. So that's what I'm doing on this side. Now you can see I've bent it a little bit, and there was huge fish mouths in here, and I just shrunk them out of there. So I'll continue to do that until I get a 90 bend on here that'll fit around the door panel. And then you can see on the bottom there, I don't know how good you can see that. Put the camera down there. You can see where I got the two panels together. And they're looking good right at this point. So I got to fold it around the door, and then I'm going to have to fold this up as well, and then I can put them panels into place. Right now I just had them screwed, so I know, where I'm at with this. Okay guys, so one piece of metal. There's not more than one there. That's one piece. With a little bit of extra effort and a little bit of know-how, you can make all these shapes. Have a good one, guys.